so we are to draw the output voltage of each rectifier for the indicated input voltages, right? So we have an input voltage having a peak value of 5 volts for the maximum and the minimum, like that, right? So we have two main diodes. We have one N4001 and one N4003 for this. So if we have a diode like this, all what we need to know for us to be able to draw the output, there is a need for us to be able to know the output voltage before we can do that, right? So this is our circuit, right? So we can have this one as a circuit, and then the voltage will pass through the diode, right? And then give us an output. So this is our output resistance, R, right? So here, remember that when the input, so we are considering the first one N4001 diode, right? So the input is 5 volt, right? Input, which is having an AC source, and we know what will happen. One will be suppressed, right? Positive half cycle, of course we know. When this particular voltage passes through it, it will what? Drop a voltage source of 0.7, right? So it means that our V out, right, will be equal to, it would have been equal to 5, but because of the voltage drop, which is 0.7, so we are going to get what? 5 minus what? 0.7. That will give us a corresponding result of what? 4.31 volt watt output, right? It means that the output voltage for that will be this. We know, right, that the positive half cycle, and then this one will not be allowed, right? We'll get another positive here. Okay. And then we know the peak will now give us what? 4.31 volts. That's actually how to draw it. Now, let's look at the second one. So the same thing happens with the second one. But at this point, we have the input, right, to be, we have the input to be 100 volts, right? 100 volts. And then this is LN4003 instead of 1. Okay. So if you have to calculate the output 2 will be equal to 100, right, minus 0.7. That will give us a corresponding value of 99.3 watt volt output, right? That is it. So it means that the graph of it will be this, right? This is also half wave, right? Where we have this, and then this is not working, and then we have this, right? Having a peak voltage of what? 99.3 watt volt. Thank you very much, and then we are going to meet in our next question.